Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Ever wondered how to legally use images of famous people in your videos without getting a cease and desist letter? Let's dive in. Step 1. Image sources. Not all images online are free to use. However, some platforms offer high-quality, royalty-free images of public figures like Donald Trump, Beyoncé, Elon Musk, Xi Jinping, and yes, even that one politician who still uses dial-up internet. Check out Unsplash and Wikimedia Commons for a treasure trove of legal-to-use images. Step 2. Checking usage rights. Before you go slapping celebrity faces all over your video, double-check the license. Some images require attribution, while others are completely free for commercial use. Mr. P recommends Wikimedia Commons. Why? Because it's like a one-stop shop for images that won't land you in legal hot water. But attribution is key. Here's how to download an image and grab the attribution. Go to Wikimedia Commons, type the person's name in the search box at the top. If you want a cartoon version, type caricature of person's name. Hit search and choose an image. Click it to open a new page. Don't click on the image itself. Instead, click the link just below it. It's usually something like person.jpg. This will open another page with the image and an Open in Media Viewer option below it. Click that. Now you're on the download page. Click the download arrow at the bottom right. A pop-up will appear. Select the image size and hit download. Then hit copy to copy the attribution to your clipboard. Paste the attribution in a safe place like Word, Google Docs, or the YouTube description box, so you can credit it later. Using AI to alter content is easy and fun, but it must also be disclosed. There are some exceptions, but this is not one of them. However, this step is easy. When you are uploading your video, scroll down to Altered Content and click Yes. The reason for doing this is that you are making a real person say something or do something that they did not. By clicking Yes, it will be disclosed. Step 3. Using AI to create videos of famous people. Now it's time to animate it. Mr. P suggests using AI-free video. Upload your image, type what you wanted to say, hit generate, and boom! You've got yourself a talking Elon Musk, or at least a less controversial version of him. Step 4. Ethical considerations. Just because an image is free to use doesn't mean you should go full on tabloid. Be mindful of how you portray public figures. No misleading edits, no defamatory content, and no deepfakes that make them sing Baby Shark without permission. Now you know how to legally use free images of famous people in your videos. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and ways to avoid getting sued. In your script and generating your video.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.